Out of my demon, he do it for diamond. He try running, got hit in his top. Ski mask scope, no ninja, we smoke naughty. His liver, smoke on my desert, ticket to death like sipping on honey. It's stuck in my breath, so ops go long.
Let's see what the cards have to say about the probability of you surviving a month here. A firm 19%. You should go sightsee elsewhere. Just to be perfectly clear, you are aware of who controls this country, I presume.
Look like I give a crap.
It's Kaido, right? Tell him we're here to take down an emperor!
Move like a pole, 100 some shots in the ghost. Better think right on the pros, no regular blocks. Know that it came with a box, from stepping like shoes and socks. One of the realest, I can you not mention. We slid out the city, now Rolls Royce whipping. Sucking and gripping, double jerking, twisting. She killing my kids like a boss, she cleared it. Take some from who, keep lying, man.
Why they made it double and total, but not to the feeling. I'm gonna pull it up. We been up a day, I'm at a road. Still put up in a damn car and let your friend fucking know you.
So listen, what I'm gonna tell you, what I'm gonna tell all you little fucks is I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna fucking take it. What is you niggas talking about? What you talking about, nigga? Shut up! You don't give a fuck about none of that shit, nigga! Who the fuck is you to me? Pussy, nigga!
I've been thinking about it ever since I learned of your technique. This one will work nicely on you. President!
Kugisaki?
I bought a bitch from the sled.
No way! Yuji Itatori is my only natural enemy!
About time.
Got the most, oh no, I'm trying to fuck you up. Fuck this money, fuck this bitch. No dumbass, right? In my cup, off the mud, I fuck that bitch. Off the mud, nigga, what's good? What's good?
Hey, want my cup. Turn it up a pull it up. We beat up a day, at the road. Still put up in a damn car, I let your friends.
Miles Morales, he's entering Sector 4.
Smoking Tukin Pat. You smoking Pookie Crack.
Have web on my face? What's the deal?
Turn around.
Looks good.
Moving them back. We stuck through this bitch like a frat. Back.
You know, sometimes the suit still goes off by itself.
Thank you. If you want a free token, give me a big old hug.
Speak of the devil.
Flex up, pitch up, big man, forward. Flex up, pitch up, big man, forward. Flex up. How was you missing a boogie with me? I was the one who pushed you down. Run up the numbers like it was a scrimmage. Run up the bands, we both got names. Run up the billion games. I got them vibes. Burn my own pants. You niggas saying it, yes. You know what it is. It's like a perk in its.
Have you forgotten something? Who do you think beat the crap out of that body before I actually stepped in and killed him?
You do a coat suit, huh? I just don't see as much appeal in that boy as you do.
I knocked you. We're living a right country. Somebody gon' die. Callin' my tweets, that boy gon' slide. Fly with the guys, and I'm on the perk. They ask what it is, he live on a shirt. Slip on that pussy, I slip on the dirt. Couple of bands, that bitch gon' twerk. In the pod, that looks a little vert. Hit that bitch right where it hurt. Finish with me and back on a perk.
I roll up an L in the lobby, my partners got Watson. It's probably a Glock or a Tommy. From H to the E, double hockey sticks. Keep a chopper, choppy if you try me, bitch. Let's see who next on my homie list. Cardi like Rocky, you body this. Here's my prerogative, shit on them, that's on my body list. Accused of being bougie by a snobby bitch. House on the
Tell Robin we're even for now.
I need some pretty in the way I'm protect. I got my truth in the movement, no shit in it, that people say that I'm not good at tech. Cause I'm gonna do this shit every time I make sure that the parents highly I want to. When they come to my talking.
The fuck of these lies. She wanna play with that fire. That ain't gon' play with that fire.
So that guy's my replacement?
Hitting that with the fire. Lash me. Hitting that boy with the fire. Nigga didn't nourish me. Hitting that with the fire. He ain't even nourish me. Hitting that.
Look, I like my bitch, red bone, ice fat, jello, light skin, yellow, iced out, hello, I'm the king of New York, mellow, black hair by the Regis Chappello.
Remember me? You remember me?
is he? Tell me where he is! Tell me! Where?
Maki? The fact is, she's a total weakling. She can't even see curses. She's just a normal person swinging around cursed tools. She'll be a 4th grade forever. I don't know why she's a jujutsu sorcerer at all. Okay, break's over.
I see. Well, that's a relief. She's using a longer weapon, so I'd like to close the distance, but all I can do is dodge and parry her. If she were using the blade, I would have died twice. And she's only 4th grade? She could easily defeat 2nd grade cursed spirits. Stupid Mai! This woman is no weakling! I was the one that I was missing a freaking with me. I was the one that was pushing the limit. Run up the numbers like it was a spirit. Run up the pants, we both got niggas. Ran up the brand new games. Like I'm my pants. You niggas straight hands. You don't see this. It's like a perk in
home run.
Whoa, wait a second. Why don't I just find y'all a 4th and we settle this on the streets, huh?
Bring him on. Shit. It's Brian.
What's up, Suki?
What's up, Bullet?
Shit here blowing. Where'd Spider-Wars go? Spider-Wars!
Heard you one time for them out. Heard that you trying to get involved. Heard that you trying to come out. We don't need that shit at all. I'll be waiting on y'all. Y'all be waiting to ball. Y'all damn shit, nothing at all.
In this photo? That's not me.
Could have killed you. Maybe you should have.
My life is my dick perfect size and your dish is like frozen. Boy, don't be surprised when I pull out that Glock and that hot like a furnace. Balls on your blood, sipping tea like I'm current. All the hoes all in your chest, I should.
That guy, he was at the licensing exam. Today, he fought like a different person. Was it really the same kid?
Bitch wanna ride in this truck. She got that Glock and that tuck. All that money, zip them up. Ask around the city, I ain't no fuck nigga.
You don't need a cape if you don't fly. You don't have to fly to have it. Oh my God. You just need to own it. Why is mine so much smaller than yours? Yours is smaller because you're the sidekick.
And I'm the hero.
And I just brought it some ears, little bitches, the first of the month. Ride around, I'm in the can, little bitch, I'm much heard to see I'm afraid of the sun.
Burn the Erd Tree to the ground and incinerate all that divides and distinguishes. May chaos take the world. May chaos take the world.
Are you the Red Ranger?
No, I'm the blue.
Oh.
You guys must be my peeps.
You're the Red Ranger?
No, I'm Mighty Green.
Whoa.
With an answer like that, you have to be the Red Ranger.
Yes, I am the Red Ranger.